Hey everybody, it's Jen. Thank you for joining me for this week's Friday haul. It is November 12th. I hope everybody had a great week or is having a great week and that you have some fun plans for the weekends. I'm going into the city to New York with my sister. We're going to have like a girls' weekend and visit our dad. So we're really excited about that. But yeah, I don't have a whole lot to show you this week, but some good stuff. So let's get started. First, I went to Target and I got a few things in their dollar spot. They're slowly putting stuff out in my store. I did get some trees that I didn't bring down to my craft room. They're just kind of bigger and flocked, so they would make a mess. So I just left them upstairs. But I got a couple of those for decor. But the thing I was most excited about was I opened it already, but it's this. It's like a set of houses, like Advent houses. Let me see what it's called. Wooden countdown blocks, and it was $5. But I saw on Instagram, I think it was, oh, I forget their account, but I'll link it down below. They DIY'd some of these and painted them pastel colors, and they were so cute. So I thought I could do that with them or make some gingerbread ones. So I did make a few gingerbread ones. I just wanted to show you how they came out. Here's one. Obviously just kind of hand drawn. And then I made this one, just kind of cute decorations all around. Oops, sorry. And I made this one too. So aren't they adorable? I didn't paint the bottom, obviously, but they needed, I think it was 3 coats of acrylic paint. I used this one, Apple Barrel Classic Caramel. I got this, I think probably at Walmart. Yeah, that's who sells that, right? But yeah, I thought these would be so cute for, just sprinkled in decor or in tiered trays. I have a couple tiered trays like in my kitchen and stuff, especially during Christmas time. I love to decorate them. So yeah, these are really fun. So I might do some more gingerbread ones, but I'll definitely do some pastel ones as well. So, oh, and the white part I used my new acrylic paint marker that I had gotten on Amazon. I'll link those down below too, but I had hauled them recently. So that was really fun and easy to do. And I kind of copied the idea for the swirls and the dots and stuff. But yeah, it was really fun, a fun project. I also got a fine line acrylic paint marker from Michaels. This is the Deco Color brand. And this one is, it's not fine. I think it's like extra fine or something. See, it's got that tip. So they had fine, and where does it say what this one is? Oh, goodness. Well, anyway, it's the extra fine one. So I picked this up just to do a few of the little details, like on this window, the window pane, I used this one, but the other one I used the wider tip. So anyway, got that at Michael's, and I got these two. They put out these little sequin jars, and I love these little reindeer. I saw Tony Craft Perch. Hey Tony, she got these, and she said these were like the skinnier reindeer, so I like that because I think I have the other shaped ones. So 99 cents for that. And I also got the candy canes, which I don't think I have candy cane sequins. So I picked those up. And I had a $5 reward. So for this and whatever coupon I had, I think it was like 20% off your total purchase, I owed like 19 cents. So that was good. So yeah, so that's Michael's and Target. Oh, wait, one more thing from Target. They had the white snow globe, so I picked up a white one. I have a red one from last time, so yeah, I can't wait to, start making stuff with these in my spare time. Don't you guys find you have so many projects this time of year? Every year I say I'm going to do my Christmas crafting earlier, and I don't, so now I have a lot to do, but okay, I'm sure that's what a lot of people do, right? I ordered a few things online from Joann's because their DCWV paper pads were in stock online, not in the store, in my store anyway. So I ordered a 12 by 12 of Christmas Carol, and it was like 60% off. So it was a really good price. Let me just move these guys over so we can see a little bit better. All right, houses. And you move over too. Okay. So yeah, this is a nice vintagey paper pad if you like that kind of thing. And I love that it's double-sided, foiled sheets. It has 36 12 by 12. So let's do a flip through just in case you'd like to see. And this has silver foiling on a beautiful vintagey poinsettia paper print pattern. and the back is like newspaper print, and it's like uh, up on the housetop, deck the halls. I'm trying to read it upside down. Angels we have heard on high. So I guess it's songs, right? So that's really pretty. And then I love this page. It's got all sorts of like Christmassy desserts, you know, like cakes and fudge, fruitcake, which is not my favorite, and there's a pretty blue background with polka dots on the back of that one. It's funny, when I was a little girl, my mom was going to make fruitcake, and I never heard of fruitcake, but it sounded so good, like cake with fruit. So she made it, and I was so excited, and she gave me a taste, and I was like, oh, this is awful. So I haven't been able to eat it since. Okay, here we have a page of cut-aparts, and these are so cute. They look like fronts of Christmas cards or postcards. Let me just bring this a little bit closer so you can see. And it's foiled. So pretty. I love these vintagey images. This one is so cute. Let it snow with the people coming up to the house. Oh, adorable. So there's that one. And the back is like a vintagey notepad. So 2 of those. And then we have this beautiful like grayed blue background with silver snowflakes. And the back is different sheets of music. Oh, that's really pretty. So nice. And then the next page are some Christmas stockings with some vintage illustrations on them. Oh, it's beautiful. I have one other vintage Christmas pad that I got at Michael's, but it's not double-sided, and I don't think it's foiled. So, and there's more print on the back of that one. And then, isn't the scene beautiful? Cute village scene with ice skaters and sledders. Just so nice, and a pretty sky up there. So you could cut that into sections and use it. Nice red and black buffalo plaid on the back of that. And then this one's foiled as well. Beautiful Christmas trees. Some, looks like some in urns, or maybe just an old-fashioned tree stand with candles on them, tinsel. Lovely. And then you have that plaid on the back. And then this one is just a black background with silver polka dots. So obviously you can use that whenever. That's a nice basic to have. And it has that plaid on the back. That would make a good like masculine card or something. And then here, these really look like postcards. They're like the size of a postcard. 3 by 6, I guess. 3 by 6? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So there's that. And the back, oh yeah, and the back are the other side of the postcards. So they're totally postcards. So nice. You could actually mail those. And then this is like a cranberry brown background with candy canes with either holly or pine or both tied around them. And the back is that smaller plaid. And then we have 1 through 25. If you want to make an advent calendar, use it for your planners or journals. There's a nice like vintagey green polka dot on the back. And then this is a nice like background paper. It's got holly. It's holly with holly berries on it. We have a couple of holly bushes in our front yard. And it has this blue background with like a white diagonal grid and snowflakes. Oh, look how pretty. It says it's Jingle Bells, and it's got the music and all the lyrics. That would be so nice for a scrapbook. And that's the back of that one, a pretty red print, floral print. And then we have some vintage Santas that have really sweet expressions on them. So nice. You could totally fussy cut that. And I'm getting better at fussy cutting, you guys. And there's like a vintage peppermint kind of stripe, candy cane stripe. And then there are tags with newspaper prints on them. Looks like a Christmas newspaper ads. And that's the back of that one. And then this is green. It's got like a tonal poinsettia print on it. If you can see that. Sorry. And then the back is more like Christmassy newspaper ads. Getting towards the end. Oh, this is like a collage of different Christmas ads. So cute. Sears Roebuck. Everything for your Christmas tree. Confectioners. That's really cute. And that's the back of that. Blue background. Like the little girl with the doll image. That's cute. And then we have some vintagey retro ornaments on a red background with little silver stars. I think that's the last one. And the back is green with a small check on it. So really pretty paper pad, so worth the 40% off of $20. So I was glad I got that. I was thinking I'd get the peppermint one, whatever that one was called, in a 12 by 12. I had the 6 by 6, but they didn't have it available to ship, so that's okay. I have the one. That'll be enough. I also picked up, well, I have a few things coming that didn't arrive yet, but I did get this Holly Jolly stamp and die set, and this goes with the Holly Jolly paper that also came out, and I have the 6 by 6. So it has a die for the snowman, which is cute. I really like this little house with the heart on it. And that deer is so cute. It's got all the different like little embellishments. Cute Santa, nice wreath, and a star in the middle of the wreath too. So that was cute. And I also got the Holly Jolly sticker. So it comes with 10 sheets of stickers. It comes with clear stickers. One's with, oh, let me open them. You want to see them, right? I'd like to see them. I don't have that much stuff to show you this week, so it shouldn't take too long. All right, let me turn this over so we have, nope, that's not a solid background. Okay, let me get a piece of paper. Oops, craft a lunch. Okay, so we have these clear stickers. Those are really pretty. Love clear stickers, right? And then some not sentiments, but words with all the different reindeer and candy cane Santa Claus. And then there's this white sticker one with different tags and some pennants. And then the cute houses. The Holly Jolly pad has a lot of that pink in it, so really, really cute. Obviously, you don't need to use these at Christmas time because they're not really, they're not decorated for Christmas, really. That one kind of has a star. There's some snow, but that's okay. And then there's this one with the different, this is gold foiled snowflakes. That'll be nice to have in lots of different projects. And then these with stockings and sweaters with gold foiling. And then another clear sticker sheet. So cute. Different things for wrapping like tape and scissors and string and stockings and everything. And then we've got these cute Santas and deer and snowmen. Those are white stickers. And then a couple more. There's this one with more tags on it. That's cool. It's got like a top part so you could just kind of fold it over. I like that. And some long ones. That's good for card making. I always like those. And then the last sheet are some more clear stickers with candy canes, Santa, trees, stars. Cute. I really like these packs that DCWV is doing. Like they did it for some of their Halloween collection. So those really came in handy and I like those. So there's that. And yeah, I have some more, like I said, on the way. You know, Joann's, they ship stuff whenever they want. All right, let's move on. I've got a few things from Dollar Tree. I just found this one today. I had the boy gingerbread doll, but now I found the girl too. And it says cinnamon scented, but I don't get any scent from that. So, and I finally found these. My store just finally got these a little bit late, but I'll save it for next year. I don't know if I like the saying that much, but I really like this graphic. I mean, I like the saying, but I don't know if I would use it. I forgot. I got this from Michael's too. This cute little tiny treasures, and it's like a cookie dough with a cookie cutter of a gingerbread man, and it's got indents in it and a little rolling pin. So isn't that cute? $4.99. This I got at a different day, so I used a different coupon for that. But I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I thought it was adorable. All right, back to Dollar Tree. I found this tree skirt. I saw Gina got this too. Hey, Gina, if you're watching. Isn't that cute? Farm fresh Christmas trees, pine, spruce, fir, cedar. I've got tons of little trees in my house. I'll put this around one of them. Well, I don't have them yet. I still have to decorate. But. And then I found a couple of these galvanized bottle caps. They're called metal bottle cap. So I thought I could incorporate these into, I don't know, some projects. You know, like maybe rust them up and make some sort of primitive arrangement with them. So I got a couple of those. They came in the bag still, which was nice. I got some pom-poms. I found these Plum Pom-Poms. Okay, I guess that's the color scheme or something. But there's 25 and they have like a little bit of silver tinseling in them. I like the darker colors. And then I got the light ones too. These say plum also, so I don't know what plum means, but anyway. But those are the ones I got. Haven't seen those before. And I found a couple of I found the Crafter Square little bead boxes, and these are really, really cute. These are, when I got home, I realized they're very similar except for like one or two of the sections, but they have really cute things in them, and the container is nice too. It's got some cording, and then it comes with like these beads here that are, I don't know what you call them, but they're that shape. There are some roses, these little like wheelie ones, some seashells. These I really like, the pumpkin ones, and they weren't in the other ones, so I definitely got this one for that. Here are some flower ones, pony beads, these like, I don't know, ribbed pony beads or whatever, these tiny little beads, and some butterflies. So those are, I thought were adorable, 150 pieces. Here's the other one I got, which you'll see is very similar. It has these like weird square ones, like indented squares instead of the pumpkin ones, but everything else is the same. So check them out when you see them. Just, you know, I don't really need to get two of these. I thought there'd be more different ones than just those two, but you know, whatever. And I also got this bin, which I thought was really cute. It's a nice size. I had everything in there, Baking Spirits Bright, and it's got graphics on all the different sides too. And I can't resist a cute gingerbread bin. I think that's it, you guys. I'm going to be back on Saturday. I'm doing a video for Saturday Morning Makes, the Jill Norwood Open Collaboration. So it'll be my first time. I hope you come back and take a look and see what I made. Otherwise, thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, I'd love it if you'd stick around and subscribe and join me. I have hauls every Friday on my channel for things I've gotten during the week. And of course, like other, you know, tutorials and project shares interspersed throughout there as well. So that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll be back next week. I can't wait to tell you about my trip to the city. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks again for watching. Bye.